Bengawan UV Roboboat Team is a subdivision of Bengawan UV 11 Maret University Team, which has been established since 2016. This team focused on advanced research in science and technology, especially on unmanned surface vehicle field. This is the first year for Bengawan UV team to compete and focuses on research, development, and building autonomous vehicle for Roboboat competition.
For Roboboat 2021, Bengawan UV Roboboat team introduced an autonomous ship called Mandakini Neo to achieve maximum performance. One of the main factors that we concern is sensor optimization. We choose 3 kinds of sensor in which each sensor can communicate to the others, becoming one system that can run our ship prototype through completing predetermined mission in this year's competition. The 3 sensors that we mentioned earlier include a location sensor, a proximity sensor, and object detection device. The analysis that we took on testing the effectivity on the use of 3 sensors is using a direct data retrieval method. For the first sensor, we use GPS to run and move the ship into a certain point to go and process from the previous mission onto the next mission. The next sensor, camera, is using for reading an object by detecting the shape and color for a particular mission, similarly as mandatory to help GPS in running the mission. The last sensor is HGSR-04 that functions as an avoidance system when the ship detects an obstacle through the course. More on detail will be presented on the next subchapter. The MXN GPS sensor is used to determine the location of the ship and the location to be addressed. GPS is controlled by the Pixel PX4 series set connected to Mission Planner software. Mission Planner is used to control the propulsion system so that the ship can go to a location determined by the GPS. GPS sensor was tested with a 3 parameter regulated, namely the number of waypoint, waypoint radius, and speed of the ship. Waypoint determination was carried out by placing the ship at the desired point. Then the point is marked using a buoy. To maximize the number of parameters used, an experiment is performed. The test was carried out by doing manual control of the ship to the buoy. Then the mission planner marked the ship location immediately. After the location has been marked by mission planner, then the automatic control trial is carried out to the marked waypoint, which will obtain data on the distance between the buoy and the ship. In conducting several trials, the following data were obtained. From all the data obtained, it can be concluded that the more waypoint the GPS accuracy will be better. Because the path to be traversed is clear that we use fewer waypoint. When the waypoint radius is greater, the direction of the range that can be reached by the GPS will be greater, so that the waypoint distance determined by the ship will be further away. Similarly with the speed, GPS will be more accurate if used the slower of the speed. The best result in this trial will be applied to the use of the mission that can be carried out.
Because using the GPS sensor and image processing algorithm is not enough, an ultrasonic sensor is added as an object avoidance system on board. This function of the sensor in order the ship can avoid obstacles in the form of buoy and other obstacles that can interfere with the ship's process of completing the mission. This ultrasonic sensor is controlled using an Arduino with a servo motor angle output. This system makes use of a relay as a servo PWM input switch when the ultrasonic reaches an object at a certain distance, where when the object is too close, Arduino will trigger the relay and the servo signal input comes from Arduino. When there are no objects are detected, Arduino will not trigger the relay and the servo signal input comes from the pixel. Two ultrasonic were used and were installed at an angle of 30 degrees from the front side of the ship. The reason we use two ultrasonic because our mission need only use two as avoidant object. Testing is done by comparing two parameters, namely the servo turning angle and also the trigger distance.
At first, we compare vessel without ultrasonic and vessel using ultrasonic. Ship with ultrasonic sensor can avoid object from crashing. However, it is necessary to optimize the ultrasonic sensor so that the avoidance system can be maximized. The success parameter of this experiment is if the ship can avoid an obstacle without touching it at all. The experiment was carried out of a speed of 70% of maximum throttle. Our first experiment conducted a test with a parameter of 30 degrees turning angle and a trigger distance of 80 cm. The second is a turning angle of 30 degrees and the trigger distance is 100 cm. The third is the turning angle of 45 degrees and the trigger distance is 80 cm. The fourth is the turning angle of 45 degrees and the trigger distance is 100 cm. Based on the test result, there are two types of parameters that have success as much as 80%. However, we choose to use the parameter type turning angle of 30 degrees and the trigger distance was 100 cm. This is because the ship will be more stable and safer when avoiding abstraction objects.
Digital image processing algorithm testing was done by comparing the use of a combination of shape and area detection parameters. In this test, an object in the form of two cylindrical poles in green and red was used, so that the program should detect the object as a rectangle. Testing was done by comparing three programs with the same video footage. The three programs are 1. Color detection program with area parameters, 2. Colors detection program with area and shape parameters in the form of 4 counterpoints, and 3. Color detection program with area and shape parameters in the form of 4 to 6 counterpoints. In the first program test, it was found that the programs detected too many objects, so that when used, the program would send quite a number of false signals to the ship. Furthermore, in the second test, the results showed that in some conditions, the color detector detects the objects incompletely, or the object shadow on the water was also red. So that makes the object fail to read has 4 counterpoints and wasn't categorized as a rectangle as it should be. Then, in the third test, the program performs the maximum reading. In some conditions, the program can ignore objects that are accidentally read and can still read the pole objects even though the colors detector reading was less than perfect.
On this mission, three waypoints were used. Waypoint 1 and 3 were placed at the midpoint of the start and the gate finish, while waypoint 2 was placed between the two gates. Image processing algorithm is also added so that the ship can enter the gate perfectly. This algorithm works by detecting the two poles at each gate and determining the midpoint between the two poles. In addition, to avoid a collision between the ship and the gate pole, an ultrasonic sensor was added. When the ship detects red and green, the image processing algorithm will control the servo so that the ship can pass through the midpoint between the two balls. Furthermore, when the ship detects the blue ball, the servo output will be controlled by image processing in such a way that the ship can circle the blue ball. The ultrasonic sensor here functions to prevent the ship from hitting the ball, either the blue ball or the red and green ball.